The Mizoram government has yet to begin biometric enrollment for over 30,000 Myanmar refugees facing a delay due to issues with a form provided by the Ministry of Home Affairs MHA. The form, intended for deportation of illegal foreigners, is unsuitable for refuge data collection. The Mizoram government returned the forms to the MHA, but no revised version has been received. This delay comes despite Union Home Minister Amit Shah's assurance to Mizoram Chief Minister Lal Duhomo that no Myanmar refugees will be deported until peace is restored in Myanmar. Sales of antidepressants in India have risen by 64% since the COVID-19 pandemic, according to Times of India report. The market expanded from 1,540 crore in 2020 to 2,536 crore by this year November. Escitalopram, which boosts serotonin to treat depression and anxiety, and clonazepam, used to manage anxiety, panic attacks and seizures, led the surge with a 59.35% sales increase. The Nampally court will pronounce its verdict on January 3rd regarding the regular bail petition of Telugu actor Allu Arjun in the Sandhya Theatre stampede case. Today, the court heard arguments on the petition and police counter, reserving judgment. The case was first heard on December 27, but the police sought additional time, leading to a December 30 adjournment. Allu Arjun, arrested on December 13 in connection with the December 4 stampede that killed a woman during the premiere of Pushpa 2 The Rule, was granted interim bail for 4 weeks by the High Court. South Korean officials today announced they will conduct safety inspections of all Boeing 737-800 aircraft operated by the country's airlines following a crash on Sunday that killed 179 people. The disaster, South Korea's deadliest in decades, has raised concerns about the government's response amid a leadership vacuum caused by the impeachment of President Yoon Suk-yeol and Prime Minister Han Duck-seo. New acting President Choi Sang-mok chaired a task force meeting and ordered an emergency review of the country's aircraft operation. India's fast bowler Jasprit Bumrah has been nominated for the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year award today. He also earned a spot in the list for the best test player. Bumrah, whose exceptional fast bowling has left Australian batters struggling in the ongoing 5-match series, is nominated for the top award alongside England's Joe Root and Harry Brook and Australian batter Travis Head. The prestigious award is named after West Indies legend Sir Garfield Sobers.